So today's topic is continuation of differentiation. It's problem number 4. Differentiate with respect to x. The function is e to the power sine x square. So how to solve it? So let y equals to e to the power sine x square. Now differentiating with respect to x, we got derivative of y is with respect to x is dy dx, and derivative of e to the power sine x square is e to the power sine x square, and by chain rule derivative of sine x square. Sure. Now derivative of sine x square is cos x square, and again by chain rule derivative of x square, and that should be 2x. So the answer is 2x into e to the power sine x square into cos x square. It is the answer. So the next problem is problem number 5. Differentiate with respect to x log sin x by x square plus 1. How to solve it? So let y equals to log sin x by x square plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x, we got u by v rule. So it is your u, v, it is your u. So v square, that means x square plus 1 whole square. So x square plus 1 is the constant, derivative of log sin x, derivative of log sin x, minus log sin x is constant, derivative of x square plus 1, x square plus 1. So it should be log x sin x, derivative is log sin x is 1 by cos x, and derivative of sin x is log x, sorry, cos x, minus log sin x into derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. So it should be cos x by sin x means cot x, minus it should be 2x into log sin x. It is an answer. So the next problem, differentiate with respect to x sin tan inverse e to the power x. So let y equals to sin tan inverse e to the power x, derivative of y is with respect to x dy dx, and derivative of sin is cos, and derivative of tan inverse e to the power x is 1 by 1 plus e to the power x whole square. 1 by 1 plus x square, here x is e to the power x, so e to the power x whole square, into by chain rule derivative of e to the power x, and it should be e to the power x obviously. So the answer is e to the power x into cos tan inverse e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power 2x. Now next problem number 7. Differentiate with respect to x e to the power tan inverse root x. So how to solve it? Dy dx, it should be derivative of e to the power tan inverse x e to the power tan inverse x root x into derivative of tan inverse root x, and it should be 1 by 1 plus root x square, and it derivative of root x, this is the derivative of root x, and derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So the answer is e to the power tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x, because root x square means only x, and derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. It is your answer. Next question. Find the derivative of f of e to the power tan x with respect to x at the point x equal to 0. It is given that f dash of 1 equal to 5. It's a very important question. So let y equals to f of e to the power tan x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy dx, and it should be derivative of f is f dash of e to the power tan x into derivative of e to the power tan x is e to the power tan x obviously, and derivative of tan x is sec square x. It is by chain rule. Clear? So now dy dx at the point x equal to 0. So dy dx at the point x equal to 0 is f dash of e to the power tan 0 into e to the power tan 0 into sec square 0. Look at that, tan 0 is 0, so e to the power 0. So e to the power 0 and sec 0 is 1. So 1 square. So it should be e to the power 0 means 1, and e to the power 0 is 1. So f dash of 1 into 1. So now it is given that f dash of 1 equal to 5. Put it here. So the answer is 5. Next question. If y equals to log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, then show that dy dx minus sec x equal to 0. How to solve it? So given y equal to log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log is 1 by tan of this one into by chain rule derivative of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, and derivative of tan is sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into by chain rule derivative of pi by 4 plus x by 2, and derivative of and look at that, it should be it should be 1 by tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 means what? Cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 by sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 into sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2 means 1 by cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2, and derivative of pi by 4 is 0 and derivative of x by 2 is half. So it is your answer. So it should be this 1 cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 cancel out, and it should be 1 by 2 into sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2. 2 sin a cos b, sorry, 2 sin a sin b, formula is sin 2a, sorry, 2 sin theta cos theta, formula is sin 2 theta, so it should be sin 2 into pi by 4 plus x by 2. So it should be pi by 2 sin pi by 2 plus x, and this means cos x. 1 by cos x means sec x. So it should be dy dx should be sec x means dy dx minus sec x equal to 0. So now problem number 10. If y equals to e to the power x into log tan 2x, find dy dx. So given y equal to e to the power x log tan 2x, if we derivative this one with respect to x, we get dy dx equal to, so it is your u, it is total is your v. So e to the power x into derivative of log tan 2x plus log tan 2x is constant, derivative of e to the power x. So now derivative of log tan 2x, so derivative of log is 1 by tan 2x and derivative of tan 2x is sec square 2x into 2 plus, and derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. So it should be, so if we calculate this one, we got 2 e to the power x, 2 e to the power x into it should be cos 2x by sin 2x into that means tan 2x means cos 2x by 1 by tan 2x means what? Cos 2x by sin 2x into sec square 2x means 1 by cos square 2x plus e to the power x into log tan 2x. So now if we simplify this one, we got, so if we multiplied both numerator and denominator by 2, so we get 4 e to the power x, that is a 2 e to the power x, so it should be 4 e to the power x into 2 by 2. So now cos 2x cancel out, so sin 2x into cos 2x plus it should be log e to the power x log tan 2x. So now it should be 4 e to the power x by tan 2 sin 2x into cos 2x, that means sin 4x. Clear? And it is your answer. Problem number 11. Find derivative of log root under 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus e to the power 2x. So it should be half of log 1 plus cos square x minus log 1 minus e to the power 2x. So now derivative this one, so it should be half of, look at that, this one log 1 plus x square cos square x, sorry, 1 plus cos square, derivative of this one is 1 by 1 plus cos square x, 1 by 1 plus cos square x, and derivative of 1 plus cos square x is, derivative of 1 is 0 and cos square x is 2 cos x into minus sin x, minus, there is a obviously the minus sign, so derivative of this one, so it should be 1 by 1 minus e to the power 2x, and derivative of 1 minus e to the power 2x is 2 minus 2 e to the power 2x. So if we calculate this one, we got this result, so it is your answer. So now problem number 12. If y equals to 3 e to the power 3 log x plus 2, prove that dy dx equal to x square e to the power 2x into 2x plus 3. So now look at that. So if we break this one, it should be e to the power 3 log x into e to the power 2 log x. Clear? E to the power 3 log x means e to the power log x cube, and that should be x cube. Why? Because we know that e to the power log x is x, so e to the power log x cube is only x cube. So now y should be equals to x cube into e to the power 2x. Now derivative this one, x cube is constant, derivative of e to the power 2x is 2 e to the power 2x plus e to the power 2x is constant, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now e to the power 2x into x square is common, so it should be x square e to the power 2x into 2x plus 3. Clear? This is our answer. So now next problem is differentiate with respect to x sin inverse 2 to the power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 to the power x. So y equals to sin inverse 2 to the power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 to the power x. It 2 to the power x plus 1, can I write this one 2 into 2 to the power x plus, instead of 4 to the power x we write 2x whole to the power 2. So instead of 2 to the power x we substitute tan x. So tan t, so 2 to the power x equal to tan t we have to consider. So t should be tan inverse 2 to the power x. So now y should be sin inverse, instead of 2 to the power x we write tan t. So 2 tan t by 1 plus tan square t, the formula is sin 2t. So sin inverse sin 2t means only 2t. So 2 into t, but the value of t is here tan inverse 2 to the power x. So 2 into tan inverse 2 to the power x. Now differentiate with respect to x. We got 2 is the constant, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus 2 to the power x square into derivative of 2 to the power x, that should be 2 to the power x into log 2. So the answer should be this 2 and 2 to the power x means 2 to the power x plus 1, and log 2 is there, so 1 plus 2 to the power 2x. Clear? So it is our answer. So now the next problem is, if y e to the power x plus e to the power y equals to e to the power x plus y, then prove that dy dx equals to minus e to the power x into e to the power y minus 1 by e to the power y into e to the power x minus 1. How to prove it? So differentiating with respect to x, we got e to the power x plus derivative of e to the power y is e to the power y into derivative of y is dy dx with respect to x, obviously, and this would be e to the power x plus y derivative of e to the power x plus y. Now derivative of x plus 1 y is derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is dy dx. So after simplifying we got the result. See the, check the calculation. It's a simple calculation. E to the power x plus e to the power y dy dx, and it should be e to the power x plus y into 1, that is e to the power x plus y plus e to the power x plus y dy dx. Now calculate only the dy dx term. So it should be e to the power y dy dx minus, and this should be e to the power x plus y into dy dx equal to e to the power x plus y is there and e to the power x is there. So dy dx is common. Now dividing both sides and got your result. Clear? Check the calculation. It's a very simple sum. Now the next problem is problem number 15. If y equal to log root under x plus 1 by root x, then prove that dy dx equal to x minus 1 by 2x into x plus 1. So how to solve it? So now LCM this one, root x x plus 1 by root x. Now break into two parts. That should be log x plus 1 minus log root x. It should be half of log x. Clear? So now differentiating with respect to x, we got dy dx equals to 1 by x plus 1 minus half is the constant, derivative of x is 1 by x. So it should be this one. So now LCM of this one is what? 2x minus x minus 1. So this should be x minus 1 by 2x into x plus 1. So it is your answer, and proof has been done. Clear? Now the next problem is problem number 16. If log root under x square plus y square equal to tan inverse x by y, then show that dy dx equal to y minus x by x y plus x. How to solve it? I think this should be half of log of root x square plus y square, because log root under x square plus y square means what? X square plus y square whole to the half, so half out of the log. So half of log of root x square plus y square equal to tan inverse x by y. Now differentiate. It should be half of log, derivative of log of this one is 1 by 1 x square plus y square. Now derivative of x square plus y square, it should be 2x plus derivative of y square is 2y dy dx. Clear? Now derivative of tan inverse x by y, it's 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square plus derivative of x by y, u by v rule. So v square is y square. So y is constant, derivative of x is 1. So y minus x is constant, derivative of y is dy dx. Clear? Now if we simplify this, two common, 2 cancel out. Clear? And if we simplify this one, we got x square plus y square by y square. Sure? This x square plus y square cancel out. Clear? And this y square, this y square and that y square is cancel out. Clear? So after simplification we got your result. Clear? Check the calculation. Simple 3 steps. Check the calculation. So now next problem number 17. If y into root under x square plus 1 equal to log root under x square plus 1 minus x, then prove that x square plus 1 into dy dx plus xy plus 1 equal to 0. How to solve it? So given y root under x square plus 1 equal to log root under x square plus 1 minus x. So now differentiating with respect to x, u by v rule. So this root under x square plus 1 constant, derivative of y is dy dx, plus the y constant, derivative of root under x square plus 1 is half of 2x by root under x square plus 1, equal to derivative of log of this one is 1 by x root under x square plus 1 minus x, and derivative of this one is half of 2x by root under x square plus 1 minus derivative of x is 1. Clear? So after simplification, calculation, we got the result. Please check the calculation. See this calculation is a very simple sum. It should be clear. Check this calculation. It's a very simple calculation. Okay. So we got to go to the next problem. Problem number 18. Differentiate with respect to x. That should be log 5 to the base x. Log 5 to the base x can be written log 5 to the base e into log e to the base x. Clear? And log 5 to the base e should be the constant, and this should be log x to the base e. 1 log e to the base x, that should be 1 by log x to the base e. So I think y equals to log 5 to the base e by log x to the base e. It should be the constant term. Clear? So now differentiate this one. So log 5 to the base e, and derivative of this one, it should be minus 1 into log of 1 by log of x to the base e whole square into log derivative of log x is 1 by x. So after simplification, we got dy dx equal to minus log 5 to the base e by it should, there is a x term, there is a log of 5 to the base e by x into log of x to the base e whole square. Clear? Thank you.